So there's good debt. So that's a leveraged debt in a mortgage is not a bad thing, in my opinion. The loan can't be called if you do it right. And maybe we'll make sure you do it right. You can't have the loan called. So you have this ability. As long as you make that payment, you're in good shape. Now let's talk about bad debt for a second. So I had a client come into me the other day. Actually, this is a few years ago. And she approached me and said, I have about $30,000 that I want to invest. And I said, oh, that's fantastic. Let's help you do it. So we went through and we discussed all the different things we knew about her situation. She just also happened to have $30,000 in credit card debt. And she had about $15,000 in a MasterCard she was charging about 21%, and then a Visa card that was like 28%. So between the two of them, about 25%. Mm-hmm. So I looked at her situation. And I said, "Oh, I have the greatest investment for you. You would not believe the investment I have for you."
Whenever David says that, people, this is going to be a tough pill to swallow.
That's right.
Okay.
So I said to her, I said, "Look, how does 25% per year, tax-free, guaranteed, sound to you?" And she said, "Oh, I love it. What is this investment that I can get 25% tax-free guaranteed?" And I said, "It's $15,000 we're going to invest in this company called Visa, and $15,000 we're going to invest in this other company called MasterCard." And we basically took it and we paid off her credit cards. So